Hey guys, this is how to fix Zmodo app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions. And for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side. So first one is just simply go to the Google Play Store and go for the search at the bottom. And just simply go to the top at the search bar and search for the application. And after that, just simply tap on the app. And when there's an update, you should be able to update it over here. And just make sure you are running the latest version of the app and just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update as well. Now for the second solution is just simply go to the settings into your device and just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And after that, just simply find the application over here, guys, or you can use the search bar or the search icon on the top right. And after that, just simply tap on the app and now go for the storage and tap on clear cache and you should be able to fix the issue. Now, if you're still having problems, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK. And after that, you should be able to fix it. Now, for the third solution, guys, is just simply go ahead and go to the Google Play Store and just simply tap on uninstall and tap on uninstall. And after that, just simply reinstall it back again into your device. And from there, you should be able to fix it. And there you go. If you still have issues with the app, guys, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.